Hello guys, welcome back, and this is how, or the only way that I know how to make a really good paper airplane. So yeah, this is really just a tutorial how to make this. So yeah, let's go for a little test flight. Okay, so this is the first time I actually am showing my face in a video. I've done it before on YouTube in shorts, but never in a video until today. So yeah, here it is where I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to make this later. So yeah, let's go for a little test run. The wind is heading that way. Yep, that way. Wait, hold on, watch it. Okay, so this might be harder if it's going this way, I think. I don't know which way it's going. The wind's going. 2, 1. Before I throw this, quick thing, I'm gonna tell you something really quick. Always make sure you pick up the airplane. Don't litter, even though this is paper, and technically paper is made out of trees. Does that mean it's edible? Okay, so yeah, the plane, and yeah, I'm gonna flip the camera and see how it does. 3, 2, 1. Smooth landing. So it can do flips, smooth landings, fly far, fly fast, I think. So yeah, also it's a heart shape. Oh yeah, I think it's going this way. Oh yeah, that actually flew pretty far. So basically, here's how to make them. Get any rectangular piece of paper and fold it hamburger style or short ways. Then unfold it. Then unfold it and make a triangle that goes into the little crack that you just made on both sides of the crack, like this, as you can see on screen. Then you want to fold like the top chunk down. Now we make these little side triangles. They're useful. You have to do it on both sides. As you can see, I am struggling a lot. Okay. Then you want to fold that top bit up like that, or like the bottom bit. You want to make sure that whenever you fold it up, it's not gonna like do anything. See, like that. And you want to fold it like that and straighten everything. Finally, you want to make the wings. And boom, you should have it. We are back outside, and here's the new one. First off, we're gonna go over the details. As you can see, there's nothing on the top or inside. But if we look under here, there's something wraps around it, I think. Yep. And yeah, got it. Oh yeah, and if you look under the wings, then you can see a little paper. That's part of it. Also, just like always, you are allowed to go back and watch the tutorial parts. I will be adding timestamps to this video. I haven't done that in a while. So yeah, a little flight test. So I have my phone on the fence right now. So yeah, we're gonna go for a little flight test on the fence, and I'm gonna show you.
It went pretty far.
It up. And this is, I only know how to do this one and the old one, which is basically the easy way to do it, but that one's really bad. Yo, they keep going far, but this way. Okay. So now we have this view so that we can follow. Also, what do you like better, frisbees or paper airplanes? I want to learn how to make more of these instead of just this heart-shaped one and the old one. 3, 2, 1. Take 2. Take 3. So this is our final take, and that went pretty far. So yeah, I have a bunch of other ones that I use tutorial on, unfortunately. So yeah, that did not go far at all. Try that one more time. I threw that weed. That was. I'm gonna try that one last time. So yeah. Make sure to click somewhere over here if you want to see me reviewing both of them. Well, I'm not reviewing them. It's just like a 1v1. I am staring directly in the sun, so that's why I'm squinting. And if you want to see a playlist about paper airplanes, it will be right here. If you want to see my channel, it will be right here. Or somewhere over here. If you want to watch one of my other videos, then you can do that. And so yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you don't, I'm not gonna stop you. What am I supposed to do?